Bridge equipment mainly refers to cable trays, which are used for laying cables. Perforated tray, a channel-shaped component composed of a perforated bottom plate and side plates, all bent from a whole piece of steel plate after punching. It has certain air permeability and heat dissipation performance, which is convenient for the laying and maintenance of cables. Non-perforated tray, an integrally formed channel-shaped component with a fully enclosed structure. It can effectively protect cables from external factors and is suitable for places with high protection requirements. Cable ladder, a trapezoidal component composed of side plates and several crossbars. It is light in weight, low in cost, and has good heat dissipation and air permeability. It is suitable for laying cables with relatively large diameters in general.